Hi all, welcome to Nandanjali YouTube channel. Thanks for choosing us. Today I am here with a video on topic Kerala mural painting. Let's start with the introduction on Kerala mural painting. Kerala mural painting always stand out for their prominence in beauty, clarity of patterns and symmetry with unmatched linear accuracy. The peculiarity of Kerala mural is the simple and thematic representation of humans, animals, trees with technical excellence illustrated with rich and delicate strokes and hued with bright colors. Now let's have a check on the history of Kerala mural painting. This beautiful art got evolved from the ritual called Kalamelithu. Kalamelithu is a custom followed in the temples of Kerala, where floor is decorated with patterns and figures of gods and idols, which was then worshipped accordingly. Kerala mural dates back between 8th to 12th century CE. The tradition of painting on walls began in Kerala with a prehistoric rock painting found in the Anjanath Valley of Idukki district. Archaeologists presume that this painting belonged to different period from Upper Paleolithic period to Early Historic period. Rock engravings dating to Mesolithic period have also been discovered in two regions at Edakal in Wayanad district and at Perinkadavilla in Trivandrum district of Kerala. The oldest of murals found in Kerala are those in the Tirunadikara cave temple, now a part of Kanyakumari district. Still, what we have seen is a gist of information. There are recorded as well as non-recorded data which was transferred to generation as a legacy to preserve this beautiful traditional art called Kerala mural. Now let's have a look on the themes and concepts behind Kerala mural painting. Kerala mural painting is an art primarily connected with human forms. The common themes are depicted in the form of iconographic symbols from the Puranas like Ramayana and Mahabharata from the Hindu mythology, which is illustrated highly with color brilliance. Best examples of themes are in the form of Radha Matavam, Parvati Chamayam, Kalyamardanam, Gajendra Moksham, Shiva Kudumbam, and so on. Now it's time to check on the color brilliance of Kerala mural painting. The painting is done with a color concept called Panchavarna, which means 5 colors such as yellow, red, green, black and white. Basically the colors are sourced from minerals and plants. Yellow and red colors are sourced from minerals, whereas green color is sourced from plants, black color is sourced from charcoal and white is from limestone. Blending of color is done in a wooden ball with tender coconut water and extracts of neem trees. Basically, the brushes used for Kerala mural painting is also prepared from natural sources. Flat brush is made from the hair taken from the back of the ears of the calves, whereas medium brush is made from the hair found under the god's belly and fine brush is made from the delicate blades of grasses. Iyempullu is the so-called grass commonly used as painting brush which is tied to the bamboo stick to form fine brushes. Now we can understand the various stages involved in Kerala mural painting. There are 6 defined stages in the progress of Kerala mural painting. First and initial stage of Kerala mural painting is called Lekya Karma, where sketching is done on a wall or a canvas using pencil or crayons. Second stage is called Rekha Karma, where outlines are made on the sketches using fine brushes. Color plays the major role in the third stage of Kerala mural called Varna Karma. Here in the stage, human characters and figures are defined in the form of colors. For example, green color is used to represent divine and noble characters. Red shade used to represent power and wealth. Humble characters are depicted in white color and evil characters are represented in black color. Fourth stage is called Vartana Karma where shading is done, and fifth stage is called Lekha Karma where final outlines of the painting is done in black color using fine brushes. Final stage is called Dvika Karma where the finishing touches are given to a painting. Hope you all enjoyed the detailings of Kerala mural painting. Now I'll show you how to do a simple Kerala mural painting on the theme called Tamara Poiga, otherwise called Lotus Pond. Here I have taken 8 into 10 inch canvas board where I have already done initial sketching and outlining of image of camera, that is Lekha Karma and Rekha Karma is already done. If you find trouble drawing, you can download image and trace it using yellow carbon, or else if you find comfortable drawing, you can proceed with freehand drawing. Now we are moving on to a stage of Kerala mural painting called Varna Karma and Vartana Karma. This is a phase of painting where coloring and shading is done. Here I have used acrylic color for painting. Now let us shade the background using burnt sienna with yellow ochre. Make sure to paint the region evenly with colors. As you can see, background is almost done with colors. Now let us focus on the lotus shading. Lotus shading is carried out with scarlet red in such a way that inside of the lotus space is left unfilled halfway. You can follow the same principle of coloring for lotus bud as well as for the remaining lotus. Lotus patterns are almost done with colors. Now we can proceed for the lotus leaves. Leaf portion of the painting is done using sap green with yellow ochre. Same color of leaf is also used for the stem portion as well. Here, waves are represented in spiral patterns. Waves are colored using Persian blue with sap green color. Almost waves are done with colors. Now we can move to highlight the waves using white color. Here fish pattern is colored with burnt sienna with lemon yellow. Small amount of crimson red is used for the shading of fishes. You can clearly notice borders are emphasized with floral patterns where clear lines separates petals geometry. We can also find that black color is used in such a way that floral patterns remain independent of colors. Now we can move on to the fifth and sixth stage of painting called Lekha Karma and Dvika Karma. Here fine black border lines are given to the figures and patterns in order to enhance the visual beauty. Usually, Kerala mural painting works more on the basis of imaginative way of representation of themes. For example, clouds represented in Kerala mural painting differs highly in shape when compared to the real ones. If you take the patterns and figures of jewelry used in Kerala mural painting, you could notice lot of curves and intrinsic works involved, which is a pure depiction of artistic mastery. The painting is emphasized and designed in such a way that the viewer's focal points are engaged in a theme. Once the image is done with final touch, we can make the image get ready for the final presentation. If you find this video informative, kindly subscribe my channel, and for future notification, press the bell button. Hope you enjoy the video. Until then, this is Anjali signing off from Nandanjali YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.